I'm taking a chance here. I haven't done this in a while. So, oh, there I am. I am live. I haven't done it through my phone and I haven't prepared anything. But my pre-order came and I thought I would share it with you. Now let me pull it back some. Give me a minute here to adjust it. Hopefully. All right, I think that'll work. All right, I'm gonna flip this around so I can open it. But it's your first chance to see some of the things I ordered. All right, so this is for class. These are the in-color dots. So there's one color hidden under there. I ordered those so I would be able to see them. Now, this is the new core colors. Some of these I had already, but I couldn't get, like, this is Bubble Bath. This is something Lemon Lolly, I think. And I didn't have some of these. This is Boho Blue. I don't remember what that. So some of these I didn't have. So I went ahead and ordered them so that I would have those. All right. I ordered some of the new ribbon. And this is for a venture that Vicki and I are doing. Next month, we'll have a bundle tutorial. And this one is the textured ribbon. And this color is... what does it say? Oh, it doesn't. It doesn't say the color on here. It's over here. This is Pebbled Path. This one is Boho Blue. And this one is Moody Mauve. That's not what I would have expected that to look like. I thought it was a little different than that. But those are three colors in paper that I had ordered. So I thought I would get the ribbon also. Our bundle that we're using, and I don't see the, oh, it's this. The bundle tutorial program we're doing is Circle Sayings, and it comes with the 2 and 3/8 inch circle punch. We have not had circle punches in a long time. So we picked up this one to play with for that. I did get, oh, that was the punch. Wow. Obviously, I didn't put that in this good spot. This is the new in-color DSP. Now, I wasn't certain I was going to like the patterns on this in the book, but I did pick it up. It's not, I don't know if it's my favorite or not. The stripes aren't bad, and the hashes aren't. But the dots are way too big. I'm not a fan of hearts. So, but I did get it so that I would have it. So I have that so you can see the colors. This is the Bright and Beautiful DSP, which is one of the products we're going to be using in our bundle program. And I picked up like Pebbled Path and the other, the mauve and the blue. That's kind of pretty. I like that. That's not bad. It's sometimes hard to see the paper in the book. Just to kind of give you an idea of what it looks like. All right, let's go this way. I didn't realize I wasn't in camera, so I moved it. Ooh, I like that stripe. Ooh, the stars are cute too. Oh, I like the squiggle lines. I love that. Can you tell I like color? Polka dots there are fine. So there's some interesting patterns in there. I'll put that away later. And I did get 2 packages of those so that I could play with it. I got re-inkers for Bubble Bath, Boho Blue, Moody Mauve, Pebbled Path, Pecan Pie. Now, which is the other one that's in the... Oh, look at this. This is the Lemon Lolly. This is Pecan Pie, Azure Afternoon, and this one was Lost Lagoon. I picked up the new color, the new core colors as re-inkers. I'm gonna take and use the Stampin' Spots, the uninked ones, and make my own pads to start off with. I didn't want to buy the pads till I knew if I was gonna like the color or not, so I thought that was a way to play. Now this is the Lemon Lolly. Woohoo! This one is actually the core colors. So I picked up a multi-pack of this because some of the ones I had already, but others I didn't. So I figured this would be a good way to get started. I did get the Boho Blue, which I love. Pebbled Path. I'm not a blue person. I'm usually a pink person. This is Moody Mauve. I don't know about that one just yet. And then I have the in color markers. So I have all of the markers that I can play with, and just, you know, color stamps and all. So I can at least play with them. And then this is the Countryside Inn DSP. In the book, it has, you can see it as blue, but another demo in Australia who ordered it said that there are animals on the back. And it was like, well, you can't tell that from the catalog. So I got this. Let's see if there are some animals on the back of this. I'll pull it all out. I can always put it together later. This reminds me, we had a set. It went with Lovely You a few years ago. I'm going to flip it. Ooh, like that. Don't see any animals yet. Oh, here they are. I'm just going to go this way. So there's some bunnies, which you can't tell from the catalog, but isn't that pretty? Oh, I'm really liking, this has birds and the stripes. I'm liking the back side of this. If it's got the animals on it, I'm liking the back side. This is some flowers. What's on the back of this? I'm really liking this paper, and I didn't think I would. This one has foxes. What's on the back? Oh, this is pretty paper, guys. It's gorgeous. Even with it all blue. I can't get the last. Come on. And then this one has trees. Oh, little tiny flowers. This paper is fabulous. Oh my gosh. I didn't know if I was gonna like it. So I ordered it to see. And then the other paper that I ordered is the Fresh as a Daisy. My order, I got free stuff with my order because it was so big. And so I ordered the two papers free to get a little look at them. So I have this. This will be fun to cut up and use on cards. But let's see what's on the back of it. All right, not my favorite. Okay, there's this one. That's nice. I like that. I love daisies. So the backside looks like it's going to be all of this whitewash looking stuff. So, oh, that one's nice. It's nice and big and bold. Those are the kind you need small pieces of. See, I'm not real fond of, this one is not bad. The bold flowers, I'm not liking the back sides of this one. So I guess I'm going to have to use those back sides in pieces. Now, I struggle with pieces like this because I think they're made for scrapbooking. But it's like to do a card, you got to kind of come out of the middle, and then you've got pieces here and here. So I've got to play with that and see if I can't figure out how to make that work. All right, don't like the back side of that one. And then this one, oh, this is pretty. Oh, the back side of that's not bad. So there you go. There's my pre-order that I have gotten. I hope you enjoyed it and that you will join me Saturday morning. I may be playing with some of this. You'll just have to wait and see. Have a great evening, guys. Bye.